16-inch Emerson 79-648SH. This is a later model Emerson. You can tell by the badge. The Collector's Guide to Electric Fans dates this fan from 1959, which is about right. This is when Emerson started not caring about their fans, which is unfortunate because Emerson made some of the best fans out there back in their heyday. Notice there's no traditional slide switch. You just have a simple 3-position rotary switch for high, medium, and low. Still has the same blades. I believe these are the Parker blades, or the new Parker blades. I still got a handle. That's a really cool thing I loved about Emerson's. They always had a handle up there. Very ergonomically friendly. This one's in pretty rough shape, as you can see. It's a real smooth running fan. It just needs some cosmetic love. There's a lot of surface rust. It was probably stored somewhere. There was a lot of moisture. And we'll go ahead and turn it on. Really cool startup sound. It's also a pretty good air mover. It's very powerful. Go to medium. Really isn't that much of a difference between the speeds. I don't know if that's because of a faulty speed coil or it's just a poorly constructed Emerson. Still a very good fan though. It really doesn't sound that different. I might look into that. I haven't taken this fan apart. And I really have no idea how to use the oscillator. I'm gonna be honest. I'm aware of like the fingertip oscillating feature on these Emersons. I just don't know how to use it. I might read up on it in an old advertisement. To be honest, I have no idea how to use it. Coast down is nice, so it's pretty well lubricated. Man, this is a really good looking fan. I love these grills. I think they're so neat. And hopefully that'll polish up real nice when I'm done with it, probably. So that's my video, and thanks for watching.